Hi, I'm Trish from Trish Newbery Design. Thanks for joining me today. I wanted to show you a very fast video on how to make cuffs, waistbands, neckbands with less bulk. So this method is called the hamhot method. So hamhot means hamburger, hot dog, and that refers to the way we're going to fold our fabric. So this method, it's fast and quick, it reduces bulk and seams, but it does have a small drawback which I'll show you in a second. So what we normally do when we're doing a waistband or a neckband or a cuff is place these edges together like so and serge that together. And then when we refold it, what happens is we've got bulk here. So let me just show you. Normally we do it this way. And then when we go to sew this onto our garment, we'd fold it again this way. And you have quite a bulky seam here, so you have to make sure that they face in opposite directions, because sometimes it can smash your overlocking needles or damage your blade, and it's really hard sometimes to line up that seam perfectly. So let me show you how the hamhot method works. With the hamhot method, we fold it as we normally would, but what we do again is fold it over itself. So what we've got is hamburger, hot dog, and then we serge the seam here. Now let me show you the disadvantage of this. So when we unfold this, as you can see, the advantage is we only have one seam here, and the seams are sitting directly on top of each other. We don't have to worry about matching that, and there's less bulk. But the disadvantage of it is often you're left with a little bit of a dog leg here. So it's really a trade-off what you prefer to do. It is really easy, and it is often really good to use for children's wear or smaller people's garments. So thanks for joining me. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you back again soon.